jalebi connect that India has, and of course that the Prime Minister has also mentioned of the cultural connect or the Sanskritik Judav as he received the grand welcome at the Trinidad and Tobago, where he was surprised with this Bhojpuri Chautal performance, and the Prime Minister has called it as an unmatched cultural connect. Let's put that out exactly when it comes to the videos and the pictures as well that the Prime Minister has shared on his social media account, and saying that this is a cultural connect like no other. Very happy to have witnessed a Bhojpuri Chautal, the performance there that was put up at the port of Spain. The connect between Trinidad and Tobago and India, especially parts of eastern UP and Bihar, is noteworthy, and with the video that has also been shared by the Prime Minister of the Bhojpuri Chautal, and rather when we have been calling it as far as the transformation that the Prime Minister has been talking about, the cultural roots that India shares with many of the people there in Trinidad and Tobago. We'll show you as far as the videos that have also been shared by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Of course, to remember the first pictures that came in of the Prime Minister when he landed in Ghana, the Indian diaspora welcomed him with the Hare Rama Hare Krishna chants, and now we are looking at the Caribbean nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit there, where he was welcomed by the country's Prime Minister Kamala Prasad, along with the distinguished members of the cabinet and the MPs, as well as the Prime Minister addressed the community program. This is the video that is now being shared by Prime Minister Modi. Well, Sabya, good morning. Beautiful performances and all of that being shared by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It feels that it is home away from home.
Well, that's right. It feels like home away from home, and that is the very point which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been speaking. See, the overall population of Trinidad and Tobago, and 45% of them are of the Indian origin. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted that how Trinidad and Tobago celebrated when Ram Lalla returned to Ayodhya after 500 years, and that is the reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi also brought a replica of the Ram temple as well as the water of Sarayu with him for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi also hailed the struggles of the people of Trinidad and Tobago, specifically of the Indian origin. Now, Prime Minister emphasized that this struggle is equal to courage which has been shown by the people of the Indian origin from the Trinidad and Tobago. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke about PM Kamala Prasad, who has the ancestral connect to Bihar. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated the Indian origin of the Trinidad and Tobago, and he spoke about various aspects related to culture, ancestor, as well as he spoke about how the people of Trinidad and Tobago celebrated the successful launch of Chandrayaan-3, and which PM has been named as the Shakti Point where the Chandrayaan-3 landed. So beautiful pictures coming in from Trinidad and Tobago, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been honored with the highest civilian order, and he is also the first Prime Minister to visit Trinidad and Tobago since 1999.
Absolutely, and the invitation that the Prime Minister has extended there to the people of Trinidad and Tobago to visit India, because they will feel at home. And of course, there is also a cultural connect that he spoke of with the videos being shared of the Bihar Chautal, and also speaking of the Chai Jalebi connect that India has to offer, not just to the people there of Trinidad and Tobago, but to the world as well. We are looking at the Prime Minister there, the bilaterals that have now been held, of course, are strengthening the two-nation relationship, but there was a special ceremonial welcome that the Prime Minister received to Trinidad and Tobago, his first visit there and the first Indian bilateral visit at the prime ministerial level to Trinidad and Tobago since 1999, as the Prime Minister will be holding talks with their President and with their Prime Minister, and to discuss further strengthening of the bilateral relationship as well. Earlier, he has just concluded his very successful visit to Ghana, where the Prime Minister also addressed the Parliament of Ghana and has dedicated the prestigious Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana that was conferred on him to the enduring friendship and shared values between the two countries, and a similar honor that has also been given to him as far as by the people of Trinidad and Tobago is also concerned. Next visit would be followed by his visit now to Argentina, and then he will be visiting Brazil to attend the BRICS summit, and thereafter he will be concluding this historic five-nation tour with Namibia, as he will be also paying tributes there to the Namibian decolonization icon who passed away on the 8th of February. Let's in the meantime speak of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been lauded by his counterpart from Trinidad and Tobago, who has called Prime Minister Kamala Prasad, has called Prime Minister Modi as a visionary and a respected leader, calling him as a transformational force where she's praised the Prime Minister for instilling pride among Indians worldwide, and in a special gesture, Trinidad and Tobago will honor Prime Minister Modi, with the country set to award him with the highest honor. The Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago has also expressed heartfelt gratitude to Prime Minister Modi for India's timely vaccine aid, which played a crucial role in supporting the Caribbean nation during the pandemic.
Prime Minister Modi, you are a transformational force who has refined governance of India and positioned your country as a prominent and dominant global power. Through your visionary and futuristic initiatives, you have modernized the Indian economy. You have empowered over 1 billion citizens, and above all, you have instilled pride in the hearts of all Indians all over the world. And yet it's not only your governance, sir, but it's your reverence for heritage that has brought us together tonight. On your first visit to our country, you were not then Prime Minister, but as part, a cultural ambassador as part of the World Hindu Conference in 2002. Today, sir, you return as the head of a government of more than 1.4 billion people. You return as a distinguished and celebrated leader whose influence transcends boundaries. We bow to you, sir. What inspires this gathering most is your enduring commitment to the Indian diaspora, promoting culture, history, and the spirit of our shared journey. The ties that bind India and Trinidad and Tobago are not merely diplomatic in nature. These are ties of ancestry, of kinship, of sacrifice, and of love. We are bound by history, by shared struggle, and we're bound by common dreams. The journey that began 180 years ago in 1845 with the arrival of Fatal Razak at Nelson Island has evolved into a story of resilience, transformation, and success. These early Indian migrants left behind everything except their language, their faith, and their culture. They crossed the Kalapani, the dark waters, once believed to sever the soul from the sacred. But today, we have reimagined that journey. We have moved from Kalapani to Panabandhan, waters of unity. Water not as a divider, but as a bond that unites our people. And in this spirit, we embrace ocean of unity, an enduring oceanic connection between India and Trinidad and Tobago.
Well, all praises coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, but he's also praised the Indian diaspora in Trinidad and Tobago for their significant contributions to the country. In his address, Prime Minister Modi has expressed his gratitude for the warm welcome that was extended to him, highlighting the important role that the diaspora plays in enriching the nation's culture and society, as the Prime Minister has also lauded the strong cultural connection that binds Indian community to Trinidad and Tobago. Now, this is coming at a time when he's hailed the Indian community for an unforgettable welcome that he received at the Port of Spain, but he has also acknowledged their contribution in the country's development, where he said that many people from India made their way to Trinidad and Tobago years ago and they have distinguished themselves in several fields and are now enriching Trinidad and Tobago's development journey. But at the same time, they have retained a connection with India and are also passionate about Indian culture. Well, that's a given. Sabya, looking at the pictures there of the Indian Connect, Indian roots, Indian culture, all of them that being celebrated. And of course, the praises that came in from the Prime Minister's counterpart there, Prime Minister Kamla Prasad, praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his leadership, and of course, India's development.
Well, that's right. See, the picture tells a story. We had seen that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi was welcomed in Ghana, and now how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been welcomed in Trinidad and Tobago, where several of the leaders and people from the Indian diaspora has worn Indian attires to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also they have given the highest civilian award to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now the Prime Minister Kamla Prasad praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi for instilling proud in every single Indian across the world. Now, Kamla Prasad also emphasized that how this will strengthen the India-Trinidad-Tobago's bilateral, and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the people of Trinidad and Tobago, said that they have left Ganga and Yamuna behind, but they have brought Ramayana in their heart with them in the land of Trinidad and Tobago. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke about the courage that has been shown by the people of the Indian origin in Trinidad and Tobago after they have been brought from India under the British rule to work there as slaves, and how they have come up putting all these struggles and problems behind. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been seen speaking very highly of Trinidad and Tobago and the people over there, and that has been reciprocated by PM Kamla Prasad as well.
So there has been a strategic significance also that has now been attached to India with the relations with Trinidad and Tobago, which is a partnership that goes back several years, decades rather, when we speak of how they are rooted in history, they are rooted in ambition, and of course this has been the Prime Minister's welcome that he has been receiving with the Bihari Chautal there, of course, that he has been receiving and talking about the jalebi and the chai connect as well, the cultural roots, and of course getting the waters from the Sangam in from the Mahakumbh, rather, for the people there of Trinidad and Tobago. Major General A.K. Sewach is also connected with us. Sir, good morning to you. When we speak of the Indian diaspora and the connect that India has with multiple countries, because there are Indian roots after all, this is a moment to celebrate.
Absolutely correct. You see, in these countries, though they are very small countries, but you'll find that the Indian diaspora has a significant effect in these basically smaller countries, and the way Prime Minister has taken a Sangam water, this shows, that the connect will keep on increasing, and the respect which we give it to our people who have settled down there, and they are doing extremely good job. So the point today is that the India diaspora, wherever they are in the world, today they are looking toward India, because they know it that India is doing extremely well. India is being given a lot of importance, and the roots have become much more deeper now. Wherever the Prime Minister goes, the first thing he does it that he goes and meet the people who are Indian origin, settled down there and doing extremely well in those countries. They are respected there because they are the one which are the backbone of those countries. But we know that they should not forget the roots. This gesture of Prime Minister has been, something which has to be admired. And people there were extremely happy when they feel that the Prime Minister has brought the water of the Sangam. It means the respect we give to them and the connect which we have with our diaspora.
Absolutely. We are calling it, sir, home away from home. That is exactly what the Prime Minister witnessed there. Thank you very much for your point of view. This has been Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has embarked on his historic visit to Trinidad and Tobago, the twin island nation that also emerges as a cornerstone of India's expanding Caribbean diplomacy as well. And the Indian origin population has also achieved remarkable political and economic integration, which has been hailed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We'll get you more back after a short break.